चवथीच्या खासा निमतान CMM अरिना हांच्या वतीन तांच्या मिर्शीच्या शोरूमांत लकी ड्रॉची कार्यावळ घडोवन हाडिल्ली। ह्या वेळार गोमंतक टीव्हीचे सल्लागार संपादक शैलेंद्र मेहता तांच्या हस्तुकी लकी ड्रॉच्या जैतिवंतांची 13 नांवां वेंचून काडली। ह्या वेळार CMM अरिनाचे वेवस्थापक हरिकृष्ण कौल हाजीर आशिल्ले।
I thank all our customers, well-wishers and all our team members for making this Ganesha promotion successful. And customers have come in large numbers. We have done excellent business across all our showrooms and across all the categories. So the promotion was very successful. And I also congratulate all the people who have been the lucky winner. Please look forward for our upcoming promotion, which is Dasara to Diwali, starting from 26th of September. Lot of gifts, lot of freebies, on-spot gifts for your purchases. And in addition to that, another lucky draw, which will be held after Diwali.
It's a great initiative by CMM to attract more and more customers, more and more footfall to the beautiful showroom that you all have here, especially in the wake of pandemic, when the customer base had eroded with most of the stores and most of the showrooms. It's a good initiative that you are trying to get them back into action. And I congratulate all the winners. All the best to you all. Thank you.